Mannheim Car Auction Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think car auctions are only for dealers, but you won't believe what happens next when an online platform opens access to verified vehicles and transparent bidding. Mannheim is one of the largest vehicle auction companies in the US, offering both in-person and online auctions for used cars, trucks, and specialty vehicles. Each car comes with a condition report, photos, and detailed history to help buyers make informed decisions. The surprising truth about Mannheim is how accessible it has become. While historically dealer-only, online auctions now allow qualified buyers to participate remotely. The platform also offers tools for vehicle inspection, title verification, and shipping logistics. Most people get this wrong. They assume auctions are risky and full of hidden issues. Mannheim's transparency, third-party inspections, and documented history reduce surprises, making it safer than traditional private sales. The platform is best for dealers, fleet buyers, and individuals seeking high-quality vehicles at competitive prices. It's particularly useful for those willing to do research and participate in auctions rather than buying through traditional dealerships. The surprising truth is that with Mannheim, buying vehicles can be cost-effective, reliable, and increasingly accessible, even if you're not a professional dealer. Subscribe for more honest automotive and auction reviews to help you make smarter buying decisions.